Rina. Kenny Itu of 93.9 Star FM Zamboanga. When Rika told me to share something about you, I said yes kagad without hesitation. But frankly, I'm not used of doing this really. But let me just tell you a little something about Rina. Rina, as a friend, she is so amazing. Ayan. She is the person now would treat her friend or friends, okay, as one of her family members. And di ako iba doon. When I was transferred in Zamboanga in 2003, she was there. And I was so glad about it because when I came from Davao, baon ko lang is Bisaya, konting Bisaya pa yon, walang Chabacano. But with Rina around, although we get to converse in Ilonggo often because she's an Ilongga, she's from Iloilo. She would teach me some Chabacano words, which meron din naman konti. Kital tu, di ba? Contigo. Yeah. Rina, I don't know why. And well, maybe God has a plan. I was talking to you December 15 lang. I didn't know anything. I can't even sense that there is something wrong with you. Wala talaga. Then nagulat na lang ako just last week when John Jay told me that you're in a very very serious situation. Di ako makapaniwala doon. I even called Danny. And while he was in Manila before, I even called Mr. J. Lazo. All I can say is that thank you so much for everything. You being a good colleague sa work. To tell you honestly, Rina is a complete package of if you ask me how is she as a colleague in radio. Well, she is the complete package. Magaling na DJ, ad-libs, she can do newscasting, English Tagalog. Well, she can sing and dance. Ano pa yun? Bonus na yun. And she sounds so well sa ere. Yun yung mga yun yung mga ideal na kumaga na DJ sa radyo. And for that, I just want to say thank you so much. Dahil yung stay ko doon, I thought it's kumaga maiksi lang sana, pero napahaba. And for a duration of 3 years ko na stay sa Zamboanga, you were there. Again, treating me na hindi iba sa family mo, Danny, and even your mom and dad, your kids, and even your sister. I forgot her name. Thank you so much. Rest easy now, my friend, and we will see each other again.